Hello friends, welcome to Deck and Tech. In this video, I take how to create an Instagram account. Please watch the video till the end and subscribe to the channel. Step 1. Open Instagram account. Click Add Account and create new account. Choose username. For example, Alex. Alex. For example, 000 and 0 1. Okay. Click next. Click create password and new password. For security, your password must be 6 characters or more. Click on the next and add your birthday. For example, April 10. Click the next. Type your number. For example, email address. Type the email address, your email address, and easy. Welcome to Instagram. Your account has been created. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.